Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your credit acceptance account password. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. Then click on Account Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. At the upper right part of this page, you will see an option for Change Password. Click on Change Password. Before you proceed, enter first your email and password. Then click on Continue. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Continue. That's how you change your credit acceptance account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.